What's up YouTube, it's Jay and I'm back with another video. Today we are reacting to Token's Cough Freestyle. Just posted this not even 30 minutes ago, so you know how I do. Gotta hop right into it. Let's go.
So I'm getting over this fucking cough, baby.
Hey, brand new crib, I love to wake up top. At the same time, it's my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica. Window blacker than 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit.
So I already see we about to go stupid. I say that a lot, I know. I don't care. That's none of your business. 14 seconds in, this man's already spitting. So it looks like he's about to go crazy on the beat. So
like makeup, I touch up my rim like layup. My deal didn't come with no pay cuts. Still moving independent, no pendant, my pendant, everything I hold. My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke. That girl keep loving me too much. I only love back whenever they don't. Drive me so quickly, my dick feel like some getaway car she stole. I get the repertoire flows, and I still set the bar with those. Tell my chick I really don't trip, but I got a deck of card to hold. My patience thin, I'm Kendall, temper short, I'm Kevin.
he said, I got a repertoire. Wow. I can't speak English. He said, I got a repertoire of flows. And that's so true. Token can spit on so many different cadences in one song. It's like crazy.
I still live life like I'm broken, bitch. I'm very far from broken. Now I'm in a whole new bracket. I got a whole new tactic. I used to record in the closet. Between all them jackets, my told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved it right, I became established. They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I be in the UK, grow my traction. Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, Papa Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got girlfriend, no more attachment. Ovary leading to overreaction. Kill a pussy, leave an open casket. Just so the broken habit. I'm the homies, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't a fascist, but my whip is German. Think I drove the fastest, tigers past it. I control her vision.
It's too much. It's too much heat in 1 minute. 1 minute, 15 seconds is way too much heat. That's past fire regulations. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He's killing us. He's killing us. And if you think he's not, you're lying to yourself. Token is murdering, and he got the bed squeak. Say something different about this. Say didn't kill it. I dare you. I dare you. I'd smack you in the face. I would smack you in the face. If you heard this, and then you looked me directly into my eyeball sockets and told me that this wasn't fire, I'd smack you directly in the face. No cap. No cap. I'm gonna put this back on because my hair is disgusting.
Now I buy her back in this life. I imagine this that shit you barely on. No, this shit a marathon. Money first. I put the bag above us all like it's a carry-on. Barely even my.
I put the bag above us like it's a. Too nice with it.
Type dog, I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well she'll think this shit a hair salon. Just meant she let me hit it off the bat. I think.
It doesn't matter what you think. Condition her so well she'll think this shit's a hair salon? Really? But that's not bars. Okay, okay.
She think I'm bare bones. I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Watch this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear, these rappers probably diss me, cause I won't let them share a song. Hey, fuck engaging in the war, little bitch, let's get the marathon. Let's go. I can only do the freestyle shit when the time getting free to turn the baby keep up. I'ma get the pussy when I get the meet up. I'ma get the wife when I get the prenup. I'ma get the money when I get to re-up. Girl don't even got an IG, so I just import it. My old girl tried too hard to go viral, I got avoided. I just got me a deal, still spinning like I can't afford it, Laura. But I got free in my fucking corner. I can give you up couple corners. I'm like, fuck.
Curfew next week. So we waiting for curfew next week. Y'all gonna see that video too. Thank you guys for watching. This song was heat. Another song going straight into the playlist. Make sure you guys have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.